Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Fairfield County, Northern Westchester County in southeastern New York, northeastern Orange County in southeastern New York, Putnam County in southeastern New York, until 10 p.m. At 9:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Goshen, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Newburgh and West Point around 9:15 p.m. Peekskill around 9:20 p.m. Fronstock State Park around 9:25 p.m. Mahopac and Lake Carmel around 9:30 p.m. Brewster around 9:35 p.m. New Canaan and Ridgefield around 9:45 p.m. Wilton and Weston around 9:50 p.m. Monroe around 10 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, Ocean County, Camden County, southeastern Mercer County, northern Atlantic County, northern Salem County, Gloucester County, Burlington County, southern Monmouth County, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 10 p.m. At 9 p.m., severe showers and embedded thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Chalfont to Stanton, moving east at 65 miles per hour. This line has a history of producing areas of wind damage. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Toms River, Trenton, Camden, Wilmington, Gloucester City, Lakewood, Cherry Hill, Bensalem, Jackson, Howell, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Chester, Willingboro, Deptford, Voorhees, Medford, West Deptford, and Barnegat. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 1 and 8. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 334 and 359. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 40. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 3 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 332 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 2, and between mile markers 7 and 34. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile marker 0 and... The severe thunderstorm warning for Passaic, North